Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we get into the shave and the gear, this video is brought to you in part by Grown Man Shave. For a 10% discount off your entire purchase, use code the Traveling Shaver right here for the 10% off. Now, I know I missed last week, didn't post a video, but my therapist tried into therapy, did water therapy. It helped, but it was painful for a couple days. So anyway, the gear for this evening is going to be Ariana and Evan's Apricity, how do you say it? Apricity. Beautiful scent on this one. I love fruit scents. Apricot, peach are some among my favorites. Definitely get the apricot. I don't recall all the scent notes, so I will post those right here. But it's fantastic. If you like fruit scents, check this one out. If you like sweeter scents, check this one out. It's very good. The brush this evening is the Teton Shaves Zen series. Everything's been whipped up in the beautiful HCNC stainless steel bowl. Man, this smells so good. And one thing I really like about Ariana and Evans is their scent strength is a little bit on the stronger side. And right now I have pretty bad, I'm stuffed up previously because of allergies. So a lot of the soaps, when you get it on my face, especially if I'm not shaving the goatee, I have a harder time smelling the soap. This one, no issue, I can smell it just fine. And there's no frag burn, which is awesome. So Pete has found that nice blend of strong scent strength without causing frag burn. Delicate balance. All right, now the razor this evening. One I have used for a couple weeks, maybe a month or two, is the Muhle Companion. Yeah, kind of weird. Anyway, I like this razor. It is mild. Very, very little blade feel, but I quite like it. And there's a little blade feel, but not a ton. You do get a little bit of a noise when you're going down because this does move. This little part there where the lack of better, paracord kind of sits. But the head's on there securely. I like the thin head as well. Really helps get in those little tight to reach areas, like right underneath the nose. If this is branded as a unisex razor also. So if you have to shave, armpits or anything like that. Thinner head makes it easier. Now the soap is in Kaizen 2E. Great base. Very easy to work. It's fantastic. Definitely a really, really good base. Zero issues with this. We got a little thin. Could have easily used a Chevette or a straight with this rather. Another thing that's nice with the thinner head is trying to line up this goatee, especially on this because my hair goes this way, is I can get that line better than I can with like the Timeless or anything with a little bit fatter head. Sorry to dig the Muhle, the companion there. Now, I mentioned that my therapist started some new stretches in the office, but I also started doing aquatic therapy. So I had one session last week at 7 a.m. and I have a call at 9. And at the place that I do the aquatic therapy is a half an hour drive away. So I figured, hey, start at 7, be done by 8, drive home, get there at 8:30, hop in a quick shower, get all the chlorine off, be ready to be on my call by 9. No. Luckily that call was canceled that week. I got there, did my therapy. Took about an hour and a half. Because it's my first time doing it. And afterwards, I got for about 2 days. Not debilitating hurt, but hurt. To the point where I didn't have the energy to record or anything. It was just, I barely posted shave the days on anywhere, actually. Just didn't have the energy to do it. So, I go again next week. I had regular therapy today. Did the same exercises we did before I did the water therapy. When I had water therapy last week, I wasn't able to go into the office for therapy. So, did my exercises at home mostly. A few days I didn't. Near the end of the week. The end of the week was very stressful with work. So I did some of the exercises, not all of them, not every day. But I should have because it was a bad back week. Then I did therapy, went to therapy today for me. Not today, for when you see this will be yesterday. Or the day, 2 days ago. Saw my neighbor therapist. He's really good. I really like him as a therapist and as a person too. But did that. Had a really good therapy session. He was doing some massage after my stretches. And he goes like, hey, let me know if that's too hard. I'm like, you can go harder. He's like, all right, I like that. So he really started digging in, and it felt good actually. So we were chatting a little bit afterwards. He's like, yeah, most people don't do that. And I said, well, this isn't, as I told you before, this isn't my first round doing physical therapy. And I've always told the therapists, if at some point I don't hurt while I'm here, your therapist isn't doing their job, because you hurt to get better. It's a good pain. Because if you're trying to exercise muscles, get to back into activity after like a surgery. And let's say you have like a knee replacement, right? Your knee's in a cast or in whatever brace, it doesn't move for a while. You lose your range of motion. The goal of working on your knee after knee surgery is to regain that range of motion. To do so is going to be painful. It's a good pain, as long as you don't overdo it too much. That's why the therapist is there. So you can get that structured exercise to get that range of motion back. So that's why I say if I'm not hurting at some point, then the therapist doesn't do their job right. I need that good pain to tell me what they're doing is working. Man, that was phenomenal. These little splotches down here, not because of the soap, not because of the razor or the blade. I've had stuff done there for a couple days. Just keep aggravating it because I'm shaving every day. Probably should lay off a day or two to let that heal up, but I enjoy shaving. So, whew, that's close. That feels dang good. Now, one thing I do regret when I got this soap is I did not get the splash. Generally speaking, if I don't know I'm going to enjoy a scent, I don't get the splash. At least when I first order it. And as someone who shaves at night, I don't necessarily need the splash. Because I shave, I sit around for 20-30 minutes, exit, and relax after my shave, and I go to bed. Don't need to splash to bed. So, anyway, whew, that was fantastic. I'll finish it with witch hazel a lot off camera. Don't need to go any longer than I already am. So, recap. Soap was Ariana Evans, Apricity in K2E. Fantastic base, beautiful scent. Absolutely love this one. Probably one of my favorites from A&E. The brush is the Zen series from Teton Shaves with his proprietary knot. Great knot, by the way. The bowl, HCNC, stainless steel. And the razor was the Muhle Companion with, I believe, a third use. I think this is the PAA Platinum Strange blade. Good blade. I know a lot of people don't like it. I do. I think it's a good blade in the right razor. And the Companion's fantastic. Man, very close shave. Very, very good shave. Quality gear all the way around. Anyway, I'm rambling. So, for those that have made it this far, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you. And I hope you'll have a fantastic rest of your day, evening, weekend, whenever you watch this. And I'll catch y'all next time.